Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be seeing how we can check the git logs. So let me make some changes in this particular file. Let me remove this particular text. Okay, and then this one as well. Okay, and add these changes. Let's say git add followed by the name of the file. Okay, now I want to commit this code. Let's say git commit -m followed by the message remove some text. Hit enter. Okay, it has committed your code. Now it's time to check the logs, right? You can type git log. Okay, this is going to give me all the changes which I have done. Okay, with the author name, date, and what was the commit text here. Okay, so first I added some text. Okay, again I added some text. Okay, and then finally I removed it. You can also see the timestamp. Okay, it's 10:04:20:46 and then 25:06. Okay, now suppose you want to see only few logs. There can be many commits. Okay, there can be thousands of commits, but I want to see only top five or top one or the latest log, right? So for that I can do git log -p hyphen the number of logs I want to see. Suppose I want to see one log, right? So this is going to give you the complete change itself. It is going to show you the complete diff of your code, right? So earlier, what was the state and what is the new state in your latest commit, right? And this is very helpful. It is going to help you to make out the changes what you have done in your recent commit. If you want to come out of this editor mode, then you just need to press just Q. Okay, and you will be out of that log. Okay, that's all for this video.